Welcome back. We are replacing brake wires. And the problem with the brake wires, as you can kind of see, there's a wire or something frayed inside there where it's not sliding for the casing properly, so it's not engaging our brakes. It took me about 3 minutes to get that piece right. It was really stuck on there, so I am gonna fast forward the time. Welcome back to the video. I hope they enjoy the music. So now we are going to be removing the cable from the handlebar thing. So just open that little cabinet up and just lift it out. Now we are going to be removing the old wire from the housing. It's hard to see, but on the wire there's a little spiral. That's a tiny little wire that kind of got stuck and caused the problem. Once the old wire is removed, now just put in the new wire inside the housing and reinstall. Hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.